Here I've got locked Orange Fova, and as you can see, I'm not able to unlock it. And let me show you how to bypass this screen lock on the following device. So at first you have to switch off your phone, tap on power key and hold it for a while, and then click on power off. Confirm that you would like to shut down your phone and wait just a few seconds. Now click on power key and volume up key, hold both keys all together, and within a few seconds you will be in recovery mode. And as you can see here, you can navigate by using volume up and volume down key, and then you can select each option by tapping on power button. So let me select wipe data factory reset, so it's the third option, and then tap on power key. Now you have to go to yes, so just go down and select delete all user data. Tap on OK, and now you just have to be patient because your device has to erase all the content, all the personal information from your device. And as you can see, date wipe complete, so now we can reboot system now. Simply tap on power key, and once we will be back in the normal mode, in the standard mode, you'll be able to set up your device from the scratch as a new one. Just be patient because this device has to erase all the personal data, and just finish this operation, and then we will be in setup menu. And that's it. Now you can set up your device as a new one. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.